Hey, we're here at our brand new listing in the Waukee Northwest School District. We're really excited to present this property to you. This property features over 3,800 finished square feet, 5 beds, 3 baths. Let's check it out. As you enter in, you'll fall in love with all the natural light and just really the beautiful finishes here in this property. As you can see, there's a wonderful open concept layout here. What I really love is this beautiful kitchen. You have a nice island here with quartz countertops. All kitchen appliances are included. Backsplash is awesome. Off the kitchen here, you have a nice walk-in built-in pantry. And then obviously you have your nice dining here. Let's check out the living room here. Really love the built-ins, the stone fireplace here. The mantle, the TV, just really beautiful finishes here. We're gonna come check out the 2 beds and the full bath here. Really good size bedroom here. You have nice closet space, nice built-ins right here, which I really like this point of emphasis with the craftsmanship here. It's a really nice finish. It's a really nice touch to this room. Additionally, as you'll see up here, you'll see the vaulted ceiling. All right here you have a bathroom 1, linen closet. Here's bedroom 2. This is a queen size bed, so there's plenty of space. You have a nice size closet there. Let's check out now the other side of this ranch home. You have a nice French doors right here with glass, but it's a really good size office area, or it could be a sunroom, 4-season sunroom. But this is finished, and it's a great natural space here with tons of light. If you have to work from home, you can't get much better than this. All right, so right here is the mudroom area. You have some nice built-ins right here. And this is right off the garage. So as you can see in the garage here, I'm a big fan of the 8-foot height doors. My truck can fit in here. You have some nice windows there. You have a central vac system, and then there's also an irrigation system as well. Right here you have your laundry room. Now let's check out the master. Really good space overall. You have a trade ceiling. Really great natural light. This is a king size bed, so there's plenty of space here. This kind of gives you an idea of the space, knowing it's a king size. You have a good size walk-in closet right here. You have walk-in closet right here. And it's conveniently connected to the laundry. So as you can tell in this walk-in closet, you have a custom closet system here that's built in, so a really nice feature here. So you have your toilet room right here. Then you have a double sink, jacuzzi tub, oversized walk-in shower. Phenomenal space overall. All right, so this wraps up the main floor. Now let's check out the basement. So down here, you'll absolutely love that there's almost 1,700 total finished square feet. This is a huge entertaining room and really nice built-ins as well. One of the really nice features down here is that you have a nice kitchenette. So you have space for your mini fridge, microwave right here. But this is a great space to really host and have a lot of friends over. You have some outlets here, so for crock pots, hanging out, things along those lines, this is some great space overall. What I like about this basement as well is that it has daylight windows. We'll progress now. We got 2 more bedrooms to feature here. Really good space overall. You have a walk-in closet. This is an oversized bedroom. And you don't get to see this bedroom size very often in basements. Progress now to the 5th bedroom. Again, really good space overall. What I really like about all these bedrooms is the closet size. So this is an additional walk-in closet. you have the last bathroom here in the home. So as you can see, this has been really well taken care of, really good space overall. And I like the options that this basement has to afford. The last space that we'll show you is the storage area. So down here you got your sump pump there, and then you have plenty of space for storage here. What I really like about this home is that everything's really well laid out and really well maximized, even in the storage room. We've been able to walk through all the wonderful interior features of the home. Now let's check out the outside. As you come out, you'll be amazed by the covered deck. And then additionally, you have a nice fan for hot summer nights. But this is a very nice, cool space to enjoy your summer nights. And it's a really nice space just to chill out. So this is oversized, so you can have a lot of people over. This house is, the backyard is mostly fenced in. It's not 100%, but will not take a lot because you have the west side of the fence, then I believe that's the south. All you need is the east side of the fence to finish it out. So if you wanted to finish it out, you definitely could. You can connect the neighbors there. So let's check out the backyard. So as you can see, this yard is very good sized. I like the placement of the trees. It doesn't overrun the whole backyard, but it also provides an element of privacy. So this is a wonderful space to play, hang out, and you also can have space to garden as well if you would like to do that. If you're looking for an amazing home, this is it. This property features over 5 bedrooms, 3,800 finished square feet, 3 bathrooms, an additional bonus space which can be used as an office, pantry, so many great things about this property I could list on and on. We'd love for you to schedule a time to check it out. If you have any questions, please reach out.